everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I'm going to be trying another little Dutch pour, but I'm going to try it with those Amsterdam Pearl paints that I have been trying to figure out how they work. They are a clear, not a clear, but a white colored paint, but they're labeled pearl blue, pearl red, pearl green, but they're all the exact same color when it comes out of the tube. My last paintings, I'll do a show and tell. Here are my flowers. These ones turned out beautiful. These ones did not have the Amsterdam Pearl paints on it, and the painting turned out beautifully. And then I had my swipe that I added the pearl paints to, and I mean, some people will love it. It's not totally something I'm sold on. It's a meh swipe. That's what we called it actually on the video. Meh swipe. Okay. So the pearl paints did not work on there. Amsterdam Pearl didn't show up. So we're going to try it now in a Dutch pour. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And of course, all of you that keep coming back, thank you so much. Thank you for the comments. Thank you for the thumbs up. It means the world to me. You guys have no idea. Love coming in the door from work and seeing that I have comments to read. Okay, let's do a quick painting here. I've got the Peacock Pearl in the metallic. It's a Deco Arts. I've got Phthalo Blue Arteza added into the Amsterdam Pearl Blue. So that's the color I got in my cup. And the consistency I have, I think you can see, it's pretty fluid, perfect for a Dutch pour. And then I've got the Pearlescent Amsterdam Green in here with Arteza's Phthalo Green and the Pearlescent. And that one I also have a really good consistency of. Perfect for a Dutch pour. So let's try this and see. I got my black base down. It's a 10 by 10 canvas. And we're going to do pearl first. And I think I want to do just a couple of spots on the corner here and blow it up. I think I'm going to go green here as well. And the blue. And the Peacock Pearl just on the corner here. Okay. Now I'll use a little bit of my black just to give it a little bit of a flood. To have some paint moving. Well, almost out of that. I'll have to mix some more up. That should be plenty though. Okay, I'm going to grab my blow dryer and make some noise. Like I said, this is going to probably be a really quick video. Hold on here. Alright, I like the cells that are coming up. Let me give it a quick little torch. And you know something? I think the Amsterdam Pearl might just be doing something here. It might just show up much better on a black background. I think I'm going to pick my canvas up and just tilt it a little bit. I just want to get the cells moving a tiny bit. I like to stretch my cells a bit. Just gives it a little more personality when you do that. Okay. One more torch. And I am calling this one done. I will definitely show this as soon as it's dry and see if that pearl helped with the paint coloring at all. But there we go. Quick little Dutch pour. All right, everybody. Thanks very much for joining me. I know that was a quick video. I'll make it up in the next one. All right? I'm sure Greg will be putting a video up right now, one of his favorites. He's hoping you're going to click on that, stick around, and watch another video. And of course, I'm always hoping for that. I know everybody watching has already hit subscribe. You've already hit the notification bell. You're already going to comment and give me a thumbs up because you guys are all awesome. Okay, everyone. Thanks again. Bye for now.